Welcome back everyone, we've got another video for you. Today we've got a new project, Project N. You might have seen this on our social media. It's our HYUNDAI I20N. We brought it straight to the rollers today. We're going to see what it does as a stock dyno power run, so we'll jump straight into it. There we go, we've done the stock dyno run. You can see figures wise, we got 202.8 horsepower with a 287.7 Newton meters of torque. So good healthy engine on the i20N, ready for some extra power with the forge parts. That's the stock dyno runs done now. Big thanks to Chris from Performance Remap here in Gloucester. We're going to head back to the forge workshop now and get to work on all the bits that we can do for it. We'll see you soon.